So to do chainless single crochet, you start off with 2 chains, and then you insert your hook into that first chain, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. And then, so this is where, what you're essentially doing with chainless single crochet is you're doing a chain and then immediately working a single crochet into that chain. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna, sorry, do that isn't very helpful. So you're gonna insert your hook into the first chain, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull that through that first loop, and that was your chain that you just did. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops, and that was your single crochet. So then to do the next one, you insert into that chain and into that last chain that you did, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and that is another chain. And then yarn over and pull through 2, and that is your single crochet. Yeah, so then that's 2 chainless single crochets. So again, you're going to insert into that bottom. You've got those bottom 2 bars. That's your sort of chain, your faux chain. Is that sort of chain? And then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first one to make your chain, and then yarn over and pull through both of those loops that were on your hook to make your single crochet. So then that is the chainless single crochet that you're doing. So insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first one, yarn over, pull through 2, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So then you've got here, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chainless single crochets. That first chain 2 that you had does not count as a chainless single crochet.